How to set up a Stripe account test mode. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up a Stripe account test mode. So let's jump straight into it. If you're getting ready to test Stripe before going live, setting up a test mode account is simple. First, go to stripe.com and either sign up or log into your existing account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the View Test Data toggle in the top right corner and switch it on. This activates test mode. Now go to the Developers section in the sidebar and click on API Keys. Here you'll find your test publishable key and secret key, which you'll use to integrate Stripe into your website or app during development. You can also visit Stripe's documentation to find a list of test card numbers like the basic Visa test card 14242, 14242, 14242, 14242 along with instructions on simulating different outcomes like failed payments or 3D secure authentication. As you run transactions using these test cards, you'll see the data populate in your dashboard under the Payments section, all without processing any real money. When you're ready to go live, just turn off test mode and switch your keys to the live ones. It's that easy. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.